Last year we purchased some computer kits that we wanted to have for the students to explore and to build, to use their minds and just get involved in new things that they didn't usually have access to. And so our media specialist, along with Mary Grace from the district, located these two students who were really interested in exploring, and so during their library periods they worked on these and collaborated together and supported one another, and we're really, really proud of what they were able to do.
Hyper Play is where we purchased these. Mrs. Roberts purchased them for the school just as a pilot kind of thing, and boy have they taken off. These two students from scratch built the computer kits, starting with the casing, into the Raspberry and the rest of the computer components, and everyone that sees them is just absolutely blown away by the capabilities. We connected it to Wi-Fi when they were done, and we have our IT department over here directing the students on what exactly they can add to them when they take them home.
Do you guys want to be engineers when you grow up?
Yeah.
This shows their classmates, their teachers, and support staff here that if we give the students opportunities to step up, that they will. If we allow them to have the resources and we show them that we believe in them, they can certainly step up to the occasion and shine and soar just like we knew they could.